Ever wished you could instantly conjure any item in Minecraft to fuel your wildest creations or overcome impossible survival odds? Well, get ready to unlock the game-changing power of the Give command, your direct portal to Minecraft's entire item library. Forget grinding for hours. This command lets you bypass all the effort and get exactly what you need, when you need it. The first step is simply opening up your game's chat interface. You'll usually do this by pressing the T key on your keyboard. Once the chat is open, you'll see a blinking cursor, ready for your command. Now, you'll type the magic words, give. After that, you need to specify who you want to receive the item. You can type your own username, or use the @ symbol to represent yourself as the nearest player. Next, comes the crucial part, the item ID. This is a unique code for every single item in Minecraft, from simple dirt blocks to the most powerful enchanted gear. For example, to get a diamond pickaxe, you'd type the specific identifier for a diamond pickaxe. To get a stack of TNT, you'd enter its unique identifier. Finally, you can decide how many of that item you want. If you omit this number, you'll usually get one of it, but if you want a whole stack, you simply type the desired quantity after the item identifier. So, to get 5 diamond pickaxes, your command might look like this, followed by pressing enter. And just like that, you've instantly acquired your items. This is perfect for quickly gathering building materials for massive projects, setting up complex redstone contraptions, or equipping yourself for epic battles. With the Give command, the possibilities in Minecraft are truly limitless. Experiment with different item IDs to discover everything the game has to offer.